Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find rulers on the Ibis Paint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my canvas, and if I want to use the rulers, click to the second icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find two options about the rulers. You can find the simple ruler or the symmetry ruler. For example, if I want to use the circle ruler, click that. You can edit the size, and if you select a brush, you can draw in this way. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.